Russia's Rostec is developing a new heavy flamethrower system, the TOS-3. This was said by Bekhan Ozdoev, Director of Weapon Systems Industry at Rostec State Corporation, in an interview with TASS. According to Ozdoev, compared to its predecessor, the TOS-3 has a longer shooting range. Let's say, everyone knows the TOS-1 Solntsepyak and TOS-2 Tosachka heavy flamethrower systems. It is a powerful weapon that has worked well in special military operations zones. Now we are working on the creation of a new TOS-3 heavy flamethrower system. This tracked vehicle is equipped with a new launcher. This will increase the shooting range and use new ammunition, he explained. Ozdoev added that the first prototype of the system had already been created. Previously, the Omsk transport engine factory, Omsktransmash, applied for registration of the TOS-3 Dragon trademark as a new flamethrower system they were developing.